Europe is quietly making a bold AI move, and it could reshape the global tech race. Two of Germany's biggest power players are planning something massive, an AI data center on a scale designed to compete with the US and China. According to Reuters, Deutsche Telekom and the Schwarz Group are in talks to jointly build what is being called an AI gigafactory. This is not just another data center. An AI gigafactory is built specifically to handle the enormous computing demands of modern artificial intelligence, from training large models to running advanced AI systems at scale. Here's why this matters. Europe has been lagging behind when it comes to AI infrastructure. While the US and China have been racing ahead with massive investments, the European Union is now stepping in with serious funding. Earlier this year, the European Commission unveiled plans to put up about $20 billion to support the construction of large AI data centers across the region. Deutsche Telekom, one of Europe's largest telecom companies, and the Schwarz Group, the privately owned retail giant behind brands like Lidl and Kaufland, are reportedly in advanced discussions to apply for this EU-backed funding. Handelsblatt, a leading German newspaper, cited 6 people familiar with the talks, saying negotiations are well advanced, even though a formal agreement has not yet been signed. The big takeaway here is strategic control. AI is no longer just about software. It is about infrastructure, compute power, and who owns it. If Europe wants digital sovereignty and real competitiveness in AI, it needs facilities like this on its own soil. Quick pause here. If you care about where AI is really headed, not just the hype, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your take on Europe's AI push. This potential AI gigafactory signals a shift. Telecom, retail, and public funding coming together to build the backbone of next-generation AI. If this deal moves forward, it could become a cornerstone for Europe's AI ambitions and a blueprint for future public-private partnerships. Keep an eye on this. The next phase of the AI race will be decided by who builds the infrastructure first. Watch the related video in the corner to see how AI infrastructure is shaping global competition right now. And if you want practical insight on how AI can actually drive real business value, stay connected, subscribe, and let's keep the conversation going.